The city of churches, the festival state, or whatever you want to call this city, this is Adelaide.
Tickets at the door. It's you on a guest list.
The population here just holds under 1.3 million people living in and around the city. Many things such as the Adelaide Oval redevelopment and other tourist spots lured many tourists from many countries. Because of the tourist attractions, the city climbed up to be one of the 10 cities to visit in the world according to Lonely Planet, which finished 9th out of the 10 other cities. The city is not spread out much as other cities are in Australia, but is more narrow, which means that it only takes 20 minutes to get to destinations around Adelaide. This is because how everything is based in the middle, such as the airport, city, main shopping centres and other main attractions.
Do you catch public transport?
Yes.
The Adelaide transport has surprisingly increased over the past few years with newer additions that have been added. Things such as go zones that cover most inner suburbs out to about 10 kilometres from the CBD. They are also advertised at stops, on timetables and at Adelaide Metro shops. There is easy access to the airport on certain buses that provide a 15-minute service 7 days a week. The newest train rails have begun to be electrified, allowing newer and faster trains that run to and from Adelaide.
Find the public transport in Adelaide a reliable way of getting around. In the city, like the tram's pretty good.
Especially tram. I think it's for free. So.
From the information gathered, our opinion has changed on some forms of transport, but not others.
The buses that go to the suburbs.
We have changed our opinions on the trains and trams as they are considered quite reliable, but the buses in Adelaide have been found to be quite unreliable. Over 70% of the people interviewed stated that the thought of the buses around Adelaide was quite unreliable. Adelaide still has a lot to do before they are comparable with other states, as much more buses would improve the amount of people who get to places on time. Adelaide's tourism has gone very far up the ladder to the 9th spot compared to the other major cities such as Paris, Cape Town, Chicago and Vancouver. This is due to the many great attractions we have here every year, such as the many festivals which include WOM Adelaide, the Fringe, Future Music Festival, Big Day Out and the Adelaide Festival. As well as the festivals, there are many other great attractions such as the Adelaide Oval, Festival Theatre, Adelaide Zoo, the Central Market and Rundle Mall. Many people believe that the redevelopment of the Adelaide Oval has increased the amount of people visiting the city.
So do you think Adelaide's tourist attractions have high tourist pulling power? Why or why not?
Got a lot of original architecture which brings people in, and there's also the festivals, so that's a tourist attraction as well, that brings people to Adelaide.
From the results we gathered, over 70% of the people agreed the Adelaide Oval was the place to visit if they came from a different country or city in Australia. The other 30%, which are the other destinations around Adelaide, show that the Adelaide Oval does not attract members of the public or tourists. Our opinion on Adelaide's tourism did not change, as Adelaide does not have the pulling power needed to gather the many tourists over Australia and other countries. So in conclusion, from the results we gathered, it is easy to tell that Adelaide still has quite a long way to go. Many people suggested that the development of infrastructure such as the theme parks would be a great way to help Adelaide improve. People also suggested that the increase of bus numbers would improve ways to get around the city more precisely and efficiently. So yes, Adelaide still has a long way to go before it is able to be compared with the other cities around Australia and the world.